this is the Virhuck, the 5.8 gigahertz first person view drone. You open it through here. I already opened it and charged the batteries to be ready for you. Let me open up and put everything on the table. Alright, so here we are, the Virhuck 5.8 gigahertz first person view. This is the drone. I like about this one is that you get a controller with a screen here, thank you card, landing gears here. You get two of the charging cables because you get two batteries over here. One battery is for the remote and the other battery is for the drone. You get the screwdriver over here, extra propellers, you get screws, USB flash drive reader, you get a 4 gigabyte micro SD card and the menu and propeller guards back there. So let's take a look at the drone over here. The camera is over here integrated. Battery compartment is open up and put the bigger battery in here. So I like that it has enough space there for the battery. You get the power button over here. This is antenna for engines and you have the LEDs down here. To put the landing gears, so there you go, landing gears down. Just go ahead and get some screws that you have. So if you don't have a screwdriver, use the one they provided there. I like this one because it has a magnet there, easy to handle. Alright, this is the side view here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on top. Orange and orange and black and black. Alright, now let's take a look at the remote here. As you see here, these are some protectors. Take them out. It's pretty nice. It tells you over here power to record video, photo, contrast, brightness. So the first pages are in English. Before you begin instructions, over here we are looking at the remote. Let's go to number 9 here. It says display screen. Number 10, display screen switch. I guess this button here is to turn on the screen over here. Display screen switch, which is number 10. Number 11 is the video button, photo button number 12, brightness down button and brightness up. Okay, so this is brightness down and brightness up. Alright, so these buttons here are for trimming. If the quadcopter is going forward automatically, just press the button like backward. That's what the trimming does. If the quadcopter is going right, just press left. I'm just telling you as an example. This is what is called trimming. So some buttons here on the back of the remote. One key, take off, the bottom one, headless mode, the top right. This one here actually bottom right. The one you see on top is for headless mode, and the bottom one here that you see bottom, one key return. So on this remote, you press down here. You press down on the sticks. When you press down, you change the speed here. When you press down from high, medium and low speed. When you press down on this stick, the rolling button, the 3D flips. I have started the quadcopter. You can see the screen over here. It tells you the battery life. So you have to bind it by up and down. Then start the propellers. Let's see how it goes. So far nice. It's coming back, so I'm gonna go ahead and trim it forward. Because I wanted to first to stay hovering. As you can see, it's pretty smooth right now. We go a little bit, we'll trim it forward a little bit and left. That way it'll stay hovering right there. Right, there you go. it's a pretty sunny day and you'll be able to see whatever the camera is seeing here. So you have 3D flips if you press this button down. There you go. Pretty nice.
Hey, can you please press the helpful button, that way I know someone watched the video? Can you help my channel by subscriing? I would appreciate it. Thank you for watching.